Prior to our engagement with LSI, our curriculum challenges included making sure that our curriculum was aligned, that it was standards-based, not just standards referenced, that we also were sure that teachers knew how to work with the curriculum and understand the instructional impact that they would have if they were more familiar with our curriculum. But one of the biggest pieces in terms of a standards-based curriculum that we sort of were struggling with and challenged with was the fact that we needed to get a better understanding of standards. The Pennsylvania core standards as it related to what should be taught in the classroom and what students were expected to know and be able to do. One of the things that we learned early on as we were sort of unwrapping this package of curriculum work is that we began to see some issues, gaps, and overlaps in our own curricula and started asking questions about how do we fill those gaps, what is the work ahead? But once we saw that, we couldn't unsee it. That awareness and honestly the progressive struggle that's come with that awareness has been a big aha for us as a district.
What we learned through this process with LSI is that the texts and the novels that were used in the old curriculum were not even at grade level complexity. So just that in and of itself was a major learning for the teachers, and it motivated them to do better and learn more about what exactly the standards require. Previous to this work, there wasn't a lot of text that we saw in classrooms, so that's been a major change. And it's all students using the text and engaged in conversation. They're able to achieve more, do more work at the level of the standard.